Hi everybody, it's Al with Al's Tech and Creative DIY. I hope everyone is doing great today. What I wanted to show you is the next project that I'm going to be working on, which is a DIY project. And it came in this box, and this is a kit from Lori at Hardworking Mom. This is the December kit, and this is how it's packaged. Oh, there we go. This is how it's packaged. Everything you need to make the wreath is inside this box. Now this one's a little different because this one came with these 3 meshes. Alright. It also came with a roll of this ribbon. And then it comes with the white with a gold polka dot ribbon and a cream sparkly ribbon, and then the rose gold ribbon. And this is the sign. And that's why I bought it, because it'll go with my motif as owl. They have those all packaged up real nice for you within this little baggie. And just so that you know, all of her kits are packed that way. And they come with instructions. This one has 3 options. It has the ruffle option, the woodland ruffle option, or the 30-inch ruffle with curl option. Actually 4, or the proof option. And it tells you how to how many pieces to cut and what lengths you should cut your ribbons and all of that. There is also your invoice. Now, this one didn't come with a work frame. This one came with the Dollar Tree frame and then a box. I believe they're black pipe cleaners. So, in the next recording you see of me, I'm going to show you how I'm going to put the pipe cleaners on the 14-inch wreath. And then we'll make the wreath, make the bow or whatever, and put our mesh on and get along. Thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind to follow, like, and subscribe. Also, I'm on TikTok at Al's Tech and Creative DIY, and if you could go join me there, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks you once again for joining me, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.